Hello everybody, it's Sergio with Mobility Direct. Today I want to make a very different kind of video. Instead of reviewing a mobility scooter or comparing specifications, I want to talk about what it's really like owning one. Not the marketing version, not the brochure, not the sales pitch, the real experience. Because here's the truth. A mobility scooter isn't just another piece of medical equipment. For many people, it becomes the tool that gives them their independence back. It helps them stop saying, "I can't go," and start saying, "What time are we leaving?" It allows people to spend more time with their families, get outside, enjoy fresh air, travel, and make memories they thought were gone forever. But it's also not perfect. There are things you'll need to learn, there are maintenance tasks you'll need to stay on top of, and there are a few surprises that nobody really talks about before buying one. So in today's video, we're going to discuss both the good and the bad, so you know exactly what to expect if you're thinking about becoming a mobility scooter owner. Also, make sure you stay until the very end because somewhere later in this video we're going to display a hidden message on the screen. The first 50 people to spot it will gain access to an exclusive discount code that could save you big on your next purchase at mobilitydirect.com. And if you're new to mobility scooters, don't worry. Throughout this video, I'm going to recommend some of our best educational videos that dive much deeper into many of the topics we'll be discussing today. Whether you're interested in traveling, maintenance, repairs, buying advice, or simply learning how to get the most out of your scooter, we've probably already made a video about it. One thing we've always believed here at Mobility Direct is that education comes first. The more you learn before making a purchase, the happier you're going to be with your decision afterward. Now, before we get started, I also want to tell you about our free product catalog. If you'd like a copy, simply visit mobilitydirect.com and click the green button at the top of the page that says Free Catalog. Fill out the short form and we'll mail one directly to your home absolutely free. Inside, you'll find our latest mobility scooters, power wheelchairs, lift chairs, buying guides, discount opportunities, and information about our company. It's a great resource if you're just beginning your research. Now let's talk about the biggest surprise most people experience after buying their first mobility scooter. It isn't the speed, it isn't the battery life, and it isn't even how comfortable they are. It's something much more meaningful than that. It's the freedom to say yes again. Yes to family vacations, yes to taking the grandkids somewhere fun, yes to walking the dogs, yes to going shopping without worrying about how far you'll have to walk back to the car, yes to making memories that pain may have been stealing from you for years. And honestly, that's something no specification sheet can ever measure. One of the biggest things a mobility scooter gives you is the ability to enjoy the simple things in life again. Things that many people take for granted. Taking your dogs for a walk, going to the grocery store without worrying about whether you'll make it back to the car, meeting your friends for lunch, walking around the mall, going to a local festival, visiting a farmer's market, taking the grandkids to a children's museum, spending the day at a zoo or aquarium. Those moments might not sound extraordinary, but when you've spent months or even years saying "I can't," they become incredibly meaningful. Some of my favorite memories with my family over the last few years have happened because I had a mobility scooter. We've taken them to Disney World, we've gone on cruise ships, we've visited museums, aquariums, zoos, botanical gardens, beaches, parks, and all kinds of attractions that would have been much more difficult if I had tried to do everything on foot. If you've watched our channel before, you've probably seen many of those adventures. In fact, one of the things I'm most proud of is that we don't just sit in a showroom talking about mobility scooters. We actually take them out into the real world. We've documented what it's like taking a mobility scooter through airports. We've shown you how to travel on cruise ships. We've taken scooters to Disney, museums, shopping centers, children's attractions, and countless other places so you can see exactly what it's like to own one before you spend your hard-earned money. If traveling is one of your goals, I highly recommend watching those videos after this one. I think seeing real people using mobility scooters in real situations is far more valuable than simply reading a specification sheet. Speaking of travel, one scooter I find myself using over and over again is the Buzzaround CarryOn by Golden Technologies. It's actually the scooter I personally use whenever my family and I go on vacations, whether we're boarding a cruise ship, spending the day at a theme park, exploring a museum, or flying somewhere on an airplane. The CarryOn is usually the scooter you'll see me riding. One of the biggest reasons is how incredibly easy it is to transport. Instead of having to deadlift heavy pieces into the trunk of your car, the CarryOn folds flat. You simply tilt it back onto its transport wheels and roll it right into your trunk. That feature alone has made traveling so much easier for me. It's also one of the reasons it's been our #1 selling travel scooter for the past 2 years. It offers an incredible combination of portability, comfort, performance, thoughtful features like a built-in USB charging port, a cup holder, storage basket, and even a compartment for carrying a spare battery. If you're someone who loves to travel, I honestly think it's one of the best mobility scooters ever designed. And if you'd like to see why I'm such a big fan of it, make sure you watch our GB220 CarryOn HD torture test after this video. I literally tried to break that scooter by taking it through rough terrain, steep hills, and conditions that most owners will never encounter. It's one of my favorite videos we've ever made, and I think you'll really enjoy it. Now, as wonderful as owning a mobility scooter can be, I also want to be honest with you about the responsibilities that come with it. Just like owning a car, lawnmower, bicycle, or golf cart, a mobility scooter requires a little bit of routine maintenance if you want it to last for many years. Fortunately, most of that maintenance is simple. One of the biggest things is keeping your batteries healthy. If your scooter uses sealed lead-acid batteries, you'll generally want to replace them every 2 to 3 years depending on how often you use your scooter and how well the batteries have been maintained. As batteries age, they slowly lose their ability to hold a charge. That can eventually reduce your travel range or even leave you stranded if you aren't paying attention. The good news is that checking the health of your batteries is actually pretty simple. We've created several videos showing you how to perform a basic load test using nothing more than a voltmeter at the charging port. It's a quick test that can often tell you whether your batteries are nearing the end of their life before they leave you stranded during a vacation or a day out with your family. Another thing I recommend is keeping your scooter clean. If you spend a lot of time outdoors, you'll be amazed at how much dirt, sand, grass, leaves, and road grime can build up underneath the scooter. Taking a few minutes every now and then to wipe it down and clean underneath it can go a long way toward extending its lifespan and keeping it looking great. I also recommend doing a quick visual inspection every once in a while. Check your tire pressure if your scooter has air-filled tires. Make sure none of the hardware has worked itself loose over time. Things like axle nuts, seat hardware, tiller adjustment bolts, and other fasteners can occasionally loosen after years of driving over bumps and uneven terrain. Catching something loose before it falls off can save you a lot of frustration later. The nice thing is that you don't have to figure all of this out on your own. That's one of the reasons we've invested so much time creating DIY maintenance and repair videos. Whether you're trying to diagnose a battery problem, replace a tire, change a seat, troubleshoot an electrical issue, install accessories, or simply learn a few maintenance tricks that can extend the life of your scooter, there's a good chance we've already made a video covering it. We genuinely want you to get as many years as possible out of your mobility scooter, and honestly, learning just a few basic maintenance skills can save you hundreds of dollars over the life of your scooter while giving you the confidence to fix simple problems yourself instead of immediately calling for service. But owning a mobility scooter isn't just about maintenance. For many people, it becomes the key that unlocks adventures they never thought they'd experience again. And that's exactly what I want to talk about next. One thing I've learned over the years is that once people regain their mobility, they start dreaming a little bigger. Maybe it's finally taking that Alaskan cruise they've always wanted to go on. Maybe it's flying across the country to visit family they haven't seen in years. Maybe it's spending an entire day at Disney with the grandkids instead of having to leave after an hour because the walking became too painful. Or maybe it's something as simple as watching a sunset with your spouse without worrying about how you're going to make it back to the car. That's the part about owning a mobility scooter that I think is so special. It gives you options, it gives you confidence, and sometimes it gives you a part of your life back that you thought was gone forever. For those of you who love outdoor adventures, there are some incredible options available today. Two of my personal favorites are the Baja Wrangler 2 by Pride Mobility and the Afakim S4. These are serious outdoor mobility scooters. They're designed for people who want to explore parks, campgrounds, nature trails, and other places where a typical travel scooter might struggle. In fact, Andrew and I are about to film what might be one of the craziest adventures we've ever attempted. We're taking a modified Baja Wrangler 2 deep into the Florida Everglades at night. We installed an aftermarket canopy with high-intensity off-road lights, and we're heading out in search of Florida wildlife, and maybe even Bigfoot. I'm kidding. Well, kind of. Let's just say we had an unforgettable night. We saw all kinds of wildlife, including more alligators than I could count, and it turned into one of the most exciting videos we've ever filmed. If that sounds like your kind of adventure, make sure you watch that video after this one because I think you're going to love it. But here's something that's even more important than any adventure we've talked about today. It's the people. One of the things I'm most proud of isn't our YouTube channel. It isn't our showroom. It isn't even the products we sell. It's our mission to give back. Over the years, we've had the privilege of surprising people in need with free mobility scooters, and watching someone realize they're getting their independence back is something I'll never get tired of. Those moments remind us why we do what we do. The amazing part is that every customer who chooses to shop with Mobility Direct becomes part of that mission. A portion of every purchase helps us fund future mobility scooter giveaways for people who truly need them. So when you support our company, you're also helping us change someone else's life. And here's something else that's pretty exciting. If you subscribe to our YouTube channel and participate by leaving comments on our videos, you'll automatically be eligible for future random giveaways. You never know, you might be the next person whose life changes with a simple phone call. And honestly, I can't think of a better reason to hit that subscribe button. Before we wrap things up, I want to leave you with one final thought. If you're on the fence about buying a mobility scooter because you're worried about what other people might think, don't be. I hear that concern all the time. People tell me they're embarrassed. They're worried people will stare. They're afraid using a mobility scooter somehow means they've given up. But in my experience, the exact opposite is true. A mobility scooter isn't a sign that you've stopped living. It's a tool that helps you start living again. Instead of sitting at home because your knees hurt, instead of skipping family vacations because you can't keep up, instead of watching everyone else make memories while you stay behind. You get to be part of the adventure again. You get to say yes when your kids ask if you want to go. You get to spend another afternoon with your grandkids. You get to take your dogs for another walk. You get to explore another city. You get to board that cruise ship you've always dreamed about. You get to cross another destination off your bucket list. That's what owning a mobility scooter is really about. It's not about the scooter. It's about what the scooter allows you to do. Now, if you're still researching and trying to decide which model is right for you, I encourage you to explore everything we've built over the years. Visit our website and check out our extensive FAQ section where we've answered hundreds of the most common questions people have before buying a mobility scooter. Join our community forum where owners share experiences, ask questions, and help one another. Browse our buying guides, troubleshooting articles, comparison charts, and educational resources that we've spent years creating. If you enjoy learning through videos, you've come to the right place. Our YouTube channel is packed with in-depth product reviews, comparison videos, travel documentaries, DIY repair tutorials, maintenance tips, first-time buyer guides, real-world torture tests, and fun adventures that show what life with a mobility scooter is really like. If you'd rather see these products in person, stop by one of our local showrooms. We'd love the opportunity to meet you, answer your questions, and let you test drive some of the industry's best mobility scooters. And if you'd rather call us, our non-commissioned mobility experts are always here to help. You'll never get a high-pressure used car salesman approach from our team. We're patient. We take the time to listen. We ask questions about your lifestyle, your needs, your budget, and your goals before recommending anything. Our mission has always been simple. Recommend the product that's right for you, not the product that makes us the most money. That's why so many customers trust Mobility Direct. We're proud to be a licensed medical equipment dealer, accredited by the Better Business Bureau, and to represent some of the most respected manufacturers in the mobility industry. Thank you so much for watching and for supporting our mission to educate, inspire, and give back. Now don't forget to look for that hidden message if you haven't spotted it already. And if you want to see what it's really like traveling with a mobility scooter, click the next video on your screen. We'll show you exactly what it's like to fly on an airplane with a mobility scooter from check-in to TSA security, boarding, landing, and everything in between. I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure.